Happy New Year! It's 2025, and that means new beginnings. This year, think about investing in your future with real estate. Buying a property can be life-changing. Real estate is a great way to build wealth. It's a solid investment that grows over time. Don't let the year pass you by. This year, many people are looking to buy homes. Low interest rates make it a good time to invest. Now is the time to make your move. Investing in real estate is smart. It means you are putting your money into something real. You get a tangible asset that you can see and touch. Unlike stocks, real estate is less volatile. It's a safer investment for your hard-earned money. You can live in your property or rent it out. Renting provides a steady income stream. This helps you build wealth over time. The real estate market is always changing. Right now, we see a strong seller's market in many areas. Demand for homes is high and prices are rising. This is a good time to sell if you own property. Interest rates are still favorable for buyers. Don't wait too long to invest, as rates can change. Section 4. Tips for new investors. New to real estate? Don't worry. Here are some simple tips. First, determine your budget. Know what you can afford before you start looking. Second, find a good real estate agent. They will guide you through the process. Third, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you are serious. Section 5. Level up. Advice for seasoned investors. Already a property owner? Think about expanding your portfolio. Consider investing in rental properties for passive income. Look for up-and-coming neighborhoods. These areas often offer higher returns on investment. Stay informed about market trends to make smart decisions.